Do you want to join our coconut shrimp and homemade sauce to go with it collab? If you do, contact me. We're going to all connect and put them out. It'll be a couple months from now, but it's going to be awesome. If you want to, here, let me give you the email to go to. papa@papatexas.com. How easy is that? That's my new email. Yeah, you can always get me there. But what happens is we all connect and we all we get into a group text, and then people just over the next couple months are going to be texting about what they're doing and asking questions, and it's awesome. I love the behind the scenes. And anyway, I got 2 people already in it, and we're inviting more. You do not have to be on the texting, you know. If you're shy and don't want us to have your cell phone number, but that's okay. You can still be a part of it because you got papa@papatexas.com. It's a beautiful day. I love coconut shrimp. Yes, I do. I've had it every week for the last 4 weeks. And I've been buying it. And now I want to make it. That's right. Beautiful. Love it. All right. So, if you want to be a part of it, I didn't ask Rob if I could do this. He's part of this. It's okay. And Charlie up there in Colorado, those are the 2 with me. I'd be Pickles Barbecue. So, y'all just let me know. Or comment down below, or whatever you want to do. Hit that bell. It's Papa Texas. We're going to have fun with this one. See ya.